Here's my eMagine project that I did for over a house plan and the 3D modeling. I built a house that I designed in Autocad and built up the floor plan and then put it into SketchUp and built it up in 3D. To see the inside, I have been using the layers option to take away some of the objects to see into it easier than deleting. As you can see, I've labeled all the rooms with the 3D text that comes with this too, which is pretty neat. I built the plan, the walls, and I did all the doors and the windows. The objects that you see in this bathroom are an example of what you can do with SketchUp, such as importing models. I will show you how to do that real quick. Let's see. First you're going to go to File and go to 3D Warehouse. And then you want to hit Get Models. For something such as the master bedroom, we will search like a bed, or you can just type it into here and it's by Google. And then it finds models that people have made in Google SketchUp that you can download directly into your model. An example of one, and we'll just use this one. Download, and then you hit yes. And most of these items will be to scale, but not all of them. As you can see, you can move it around and snap it. You can also use the scale features, which I've had to do on some of the objects I've imported, which you can find under Tools. Once you have it where you want it, you can just leave it there. And that's how I've got most of my objects in this house. Now for the layers, which I've been using to take the roof on and off, and I can also do it with the walls. You will see, well, let's see. Here I've got, if I take off both of them, I've got some objects left, some of the ones I just imported, and some of them I didn't put under a specific layer because it really wasn't that necessary. But if you get your select option and you highlight and drag it all, you can right click. I guess you have to be on one of the objects. Right click and hit Entity Info. This will bring up your layers, and we can go ahead and create a new layer named Floors and Miscellaneous. It'll put it in alphabetical order, and then you can select this one to be that layer right there. Now we have control over that one as well. You can put them all back together and you can take them off as you wish. This makes it a lot easier other than having deleting and redrawing some of your walls or your roof. And then anything I do to this, say I'm gonna mess with this wall or push and pull it, the one bad thing about it is it will kind of mess with the other, your roof as well. And it might have. It actually didn't this time, but if the two objects are connected together, it will move them together even though the one's not being showed. And that's basically everything that I've done in this one that I did not go over in my man room video that is also on here.